Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about one stock to buy and one stock to sell for tomorrow's trading session, that would be on 28th September friends. Okay, we are also going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty friends. Coming to what was given in previous video friends, I had given you Hindustan Unilever for a buy. This is where it started and straight to our target. Our target was achieved here. And I gave you TCS for a sell. TCS started here and I gave you this trend line and then straight to our target. Okay, so our target was met in both buy stock as well as in sell stock. Okay, before we move further to our today's video and the analysis, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would not miss on any notification that I am giving you on this channel. In the due course of time, you will also see some change in the way or the layout the video is presented friends. This is to ensure that you got most of the knowledge in least of the time friends. Anyways, coming back to our analysis for Nifty. Nifty did a gap up. Okay, went till here, faced this resistance and started falling. We were bearish on Nifty friends. I told that yesterday itself. Okay, clear cut, nice upward momentum and to the bottom. Now this particular upward momentum is also called price action. So this was a perfect price action way of trading or way of movement friends, where it went down. From there again price action, upward momentum, price action, even more upward momentum. What you can observe is we made a, yes, you are right. And then did it hit the target, which is this one? The answer is no. Everyone in the market was bullish to make this target and had their stop losses here friends, and their stop losses got hit. The ones who had their stop losses at the bottom did not get hit friends. Few important things that I would like to stress at this point is Nifty, this was its yesterday's bottom. Okay, it again tested yesterday's bottom twice, once and twice, actually thrice. Okay, today. Just keep that in mind. Now we'll move to our analysis for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, same thing. What happened is it crossed this area, faced resistance in between this and this area. Okay, and then it started moving downwards. Okay, perfect price action and further down friends. Now it already moved below yesterday's low and waited there. From there it started moving up, did not touch yesterday's high or today's high, and again started going down. Again it crossed, remember this point friends, crossed yesterday's low. Now Nifty did not cross yesterday's low, but Bank Nifty crossed this low at this particular candles friends. Now this made us bearish on the market. We were looking for shorting opportunity in Bank Nifty. Okay, followed by again kind of price action and a proper fall along with this particular breakdown friends. This was your breakdown. Also this was your breakdown. Both put together gave a very good fall and followed by some retracement. Coming to our view for tomorrow. See friends, we did not close above this levels, so we are not very bullish on the market yet. Has market created the bottom? Was my question yesterday. The answer is no, it went further down. In this case it did not go so down, but Bank Nifty went further down towards the closing. So in my opinion, the bottom is not yet created. There is a possibility of further fall in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Are we going to straight short at this levels and wait for the bottom to be formed? The answer is no. That's not how we work. We work on good setups. Okay. So if in case you see some kind of breakdown, that is when we'll short. Now coming to analysis for Nifty, let's delete all this. See, as soon as this trend line is broken, okay, remember this trend line is broken, that's when we'll create a short position. Yesterday also I gave you something similar. I told that to you in Bank Nifty. Okay, if you have not seen the video for yesterday where we discussed about TCS going down, we discussed about HUL to go up. Okay, the reason for all this is given in yesterday's video, and that is the reason we are not discussing it today, friends. Anyways, so as soon as this trend line is tested, we can go ahead and create short positions. Now there is another way to create short position, friends. How is that? Look at this. Once this trend line is broken downwards, you all know that this will act like a resistance. Okay, so as soon as it goes and touches this trend line somewhere here, that is when you can again create short positions, friends. Our stop loss in that case will be very small. That is the biggest benefit of creating a short position at these levels. I hope you understood the logic, and I'm not giving rocket science here. It is simple. Whenever a stock crosses the trend line, okay, this trend line is acting like a support currently till here, but as soon as it crosses, this same trend line will start acting like a resistance. Okay, so this is basic rule of support and resistance. When will we create a long position? Look at this, friends. This is a clear trend line which has been tested 1, 2, 3 times. Now if it goes and touches this and comes down, will create short position. It has to decisively break this trend line. Okay, once this trend line is broken followed by a retest, that is when it will act like a support, just like this acting like a resistance after it comes here. Okay, once it acts like a support, that is when we'll create buy positions for this particular target, which is your first target. Hope you understood the logic behind how we will create a buy position in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty. Now, this is a trend line which is difficult for it to cross. Okay, so we are exactly at a level where we can sell. We are at a resistance zone, but tomorrow morning we would not know if Nifty is going up, down. So we'll keep a couple of other trend lines handy so that we can create short levels at those levels. See, this is one of the trend line. If you go ahead and see, it is creating some kind of engulfing, doji, any reversal patterns. That is when we'll go ahead and select this for a sell. See, friends, this is a doji candle. Okay, this was formed at 120. Okay, remember this. This is a doji candle. What happens in doji? Usually, when buyers are trying to push, in this case, when buyers are trying to push market upwards, okay, and sellers are trying to push it downwards, in the tug of war, after 5 minutes, if it starts here, goes up, comes down, and again closes here, that's when a doji kind of a candle is formed. That means there is a big wick like this and a small candle. Okay, so doji in Japanese is 0. I don't know which language, but it is 0. Okay, I hope you understand when a doji is formed. Once a doji is formed, that means it usually ends the trend. Now Bank Nifty was an uptrend and a doji was formed. That is the reason it ended the trend and went down, friends. I hope you understood the logic of what a doji is, and I hope my explanation is clear to help you understand a doji candle, friends. Okay, so that's when we'll create a buy position. Coming to sell position, simple. We are at the right place, friends. So we are going to look for any kind of reversal patterns here for sell position. Second place where we can sell is this place, friends. This is going to act like a good resistance for it to go downwards. I hope you understood the logic of how we are going to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow, friends. Coming to our buy stock for tomorrow. And before that, I told you that I'm going to give you some other information. See, on the bottom of the screen, you are going to see all these stocks here. Okay, different stocks which are on which we are bullish and bearish. Okay, I have kept them in alphabetical order so that it is of more help for you. From tomorrow onwards, I'll make sure that this is started early in itself so that you would not miss on any of them. Coming to our buy stock for today, it is Bhartiartl. Reason simple. Look at it, friends. Today's candles, okay, were all formed above yesterday's low, okay, and below yesterday's high. So if I move this particular thing in a daily time frame, what do we see? Sorry, this is daily. We see something called a pregnant lady pattern is what this is called, okay, or this is also called a bullish harami pattern, wherein the previous candle, this candle is completely inside the previous candle. It's also called the inside candle pattern, okay, and usually this is also a trend reversal pattern, okay. So what has happened is the entire day of this one, okay, this candle is formed within this candle. So the buyers and the sellers, okay, had equal strength and it could not go further down. Like this trend that was happening every day, it was going down. This candle confirms that we cannot go further down. Hope you understood the logic behind that. That's the reason we are giving it for the sell, for a buy, I'm sorry. And when will we buy? Good question. For that, we'll draw this trend line, friends. At the breakout of this trend line, we can create buy positions and we can expect targets of this area, which is 764. Our next target would be 772, friends. Are we going to expect that in one day? The answer is no. We are not so bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty, so we cannot expect Airtel to outperform. Bharti Airtel cannot outperform and go to new highs when Nifty and Bank Nifty did not perform so much. But in case if you see tomorrow morning Nifty, Bank Nifty are fully positive, yes, it can go ahead and make this top, friends, which is 785. Anyways, but we are not expecting such targets in one day for a simple reason that expiry is very near, and on expiry they are going to eat up the premiums. I hope you already know that. Okay, coming to our sell stock for today, for tomorrow, that would be UPL, friends. Why? See, it went further down, okay, up and down. Now look at this last candle. This last candle is showing proper weakness. It has gone ahead and broken three previous candles. But if you look at Nifty, the last candle is upwards. It's attempting to go up. So when Nifty is going up, if some stock is going down, that very well means that it is weak. When will we create sell positions in this stock? We can either create it immediately or we can go ahead and wait for this trend line to break. If we are creating sell positions immediately, this would be our first target, friends, followed by second target at the bottom, which is 670. Okay, 74 is the first target, 674, and 670 is our second target. Stop loss will be something around 684, friends. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the way we are trying to present it. We'll try to make it even better in future. Only thing that I'm expecting from you guys is subscribe and also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market. Also remember, our Telegram channel is given at the bottom. There it comes. Please make sure that you subscribe to the Telegram channel. Today I have given you two trades, both on Bank Nifty, which performed very well. One of it was given somewhere here at this levels. It performed very well. The second one was given at this doji, friends, around 115. That also performed very well. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel to get such updates instantly. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and make sure you also share it with your friends, family members, and everyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market. And I wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.